Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Flawed Beauty, the problem with toughened glass. First 14 to 17 questions are to match each person with the correct statement. First question is, Brian Waldron, statement is, G, claims that nickel sulfide failure is very unusual. Brian Waldron कहते हैं कि nickel sulfide failure कभी कभार ही होता है. The glass industry is aware of the issue, says Brian Waldron, chairman of the Standards Committee at the Glass and Glazing Federation, a British trade association, and standards development officer at Pilkington. But he insists that cases are few and far between. It is a very rare phenomenon, he says. Rare matlab kabhi kabhi hone wala. Next is, Trevor Ford, statement is, A, suggests that publicity about nickel sulfide failure has been suppressed. ट्रेवर फॉर्ड कहते हैं कि जो निकल सल्फाइड का फेलियर हुआ था, उस खबर को सप्रेस्ड मतलब दबा दिया गया था. What you hear is only the tip of the iceberg, मतलब हमने बहुत थोड़ा सा सुना. Says Trevor Ford, a glass expert at Resolve Engineering in Brisbane, Queensland. He believes the reason is simple, no one wants bad press, क्योंकि कोई भी बदनामी नहीं चाहता. Next question is, Graham Dodd, statement is, H, refers to the most extreme case of delayed failure. ग्राहम डॉड बताते हैं एक ऐसा केस जिसने फेलियर को काफी समय तक रोक कर रखा. Ironically, says Graham Dodd, of Consulting Engineers Arup in London, the oldest pane of toughened glass known to have failed due to nickel sulfide inclusions was in Pilkington's Glass Research Building in Lathom, Lancashire. The pane was 27 years old. वो पेन 27 साल पुराना था. Next question is John Barry, statement is, C, closely examined all the glass in one building. John Barry ने एक बिल्डिंग के सारे ग्लासेस को नज़दीक से एग्जामिन किया. John Barry, an expert in nickel sulfide contamination at the University of Queensland, analyzed every glass pane in the building. Next 18 to 23 questions are, to complete the summary. We have to choose the correct word from the given word list. Toughened glass is favored by architects because it is much stronger than ordinary glass, and the fragments are not as dash when it breaks. Toughened glass architect ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं क्योंकि वो साधारण ग्लास से ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है और जब वो टूटता है तो उसके टुकड़े ऐसे नहीं होते. Toughened glass is found everywhere, from cars and bus shelters to the windows, walls and roofs of thousands of buildings around the world. It's easy to see why. This glass has 5 times the strength of standard glass, and when it does break it shatters into tiny cubes rather than large razor-sharp shards. मतलब ये क्यूब्स में टूटता है न कि रेजर शार्प टुकड़ों में, तो इसका आंसर होगा sharp. Next question is, however, it has one disadvantage. It can shatter dash. इसका एक नुकसान भी है कि ये ऐसे बिखरता है. When this happens, the crystals expand by up to 4%. And if they are within the central tensile region of the pane, the stresses this unleashes can shatter the whole sheet. The time that elapses before failure occurs is unpredictable. तो ये unpredictable होता है, तो इसका आंसर होगा unexpectedly. Next question is, this fault is a result of the manufacturing process. Ordinary glass is first heated, then cooled. Ordinary glass को पहले गर्म किया जाता है और फिर इसे ऐसे ठंडा किया जाता है. It is made by heating a sheet of ordinary glass to about 620 degrees centigrade to soften it slightly, allowing its structure to expand, and then cooling it rapidly. तो इसे rapidly cool किया जाता है. Rapidly का synonym है quickly. Next question is, the outer layer dash before the inner layer. This causes the outer layer of the pane to contract and solidify before the interior. तो इसका आंसर होगा contracts. Next question is, however, if the glass contains nickel sulfide impurities, crystals of nickel sulfide are formed. These are unstable, and can expand suddenly, particularly if the weather is something. अगर ग्लास में निकल सल्फाइड होता है तो उसके क्रिस्टल्स बन जाते हैं और इस वेदर में ये क्रिस्टल्स अचानक से बढ़ जाते हैं. The problem starts when glass contains nickel sulfide impurities. Trace amounts of nickel and sulfur are usually present in the raw materials used to make glass, and nickel can also be introduced by fragments of nickel alloys falling into molten glass. As the glass is heated, these atoms react to form tiny crystals of nickel sulfide. तो ये क्रिस्टल्स कब बनते हैं? जब ग्लास को हीट मिलती है, तो इसका आंसर होगा वार्म। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, if this happens, the pane of glass may break. The frequency with which such problems occur is dashed by glass experts. अगर ऐसा होता है तो ग्लास पेन टूट सकता है, और एक्सपर्ट्स के द्वारा इस प्रॉब्लम की फ्रीक्वेंसी को कुछ किया गया है। Ironically, says Graham Dodd, the oldest pane of toughened glass known to have failed due to nickel sulfide inclusions was in Pilkington's Glass Research Building in Lathom, Lancashire. The pane was 27 years old. Dodd ने बताया कि ये केस रेयर था। ग्लास बहुत पुराना था। आगे देखिए। Data showing the scale of the nickel sulfide problem is almost impossible to find. The picture is made more complicated by the fact that these crystals occur in batches. So even if, on average, there is only one inclusion in 7 tons of glass, if you experience one nickel sulfide failure in your building, that probably means you have got a problem in more than one pane. दूसरी तरफ, Joshi says that in the last decade he has worked on over 15 buildings with the number of failures into double figures. तो कोई एक्सपर्ट कहता है कि ये रेयर केस है, दूसरा कहता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा केसेस होते हैं। इसका मतलब जो फेलियर की फ्रीक्वेंसी है उस पे इनका डिस्प्यूट है। तो इसका आंसर होगा डिस्प्यूटेड। नेक्स्ट 24 to 26 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, little doubt was expressed about the reason for the Bishop's Walk accident. Bishop Walk accident को लेकर बहुत थोड़ा doubt express किया गया. On 2nd August 1999, a particularly hot day in the town of Cirencester in the UK, a large pane of toughened glass in the roof of a shopping centre at Bishop's Walk shattered without warning and fell from its frame. When fragments were analysed by experts at the giant glass manufacturers Pilkington, which had made the pane, they found that minute crystals of nickel sulfide trapped inside the glass had almost certainly caused the failure. Almost certainly का मतलब थोड़ा doubt, तो ये आंसर true होगा. Next question is not given. Next to that is, there is plenty of documented evidence available about the incidence of nickel sulfide failure. हमारे पास nickel sulfide failure के बहुत सारे कागजी सबूत हैं. But he insists that cases are few and far between. It's a very rare phenomenon. मतलब ये कभी कभार ही होता है. तो इसका आंसर false होगा. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.